vigil keep. The west's asleep, the west's asleep. Alas and well may Erin weep, when Connacht lies in slumber deep. Their lake and plain smile fair and free, mid rocks their guardian chivalry. Sing, oh, let man learn liberty from crashing wind and lashing sea. That chainless wave and lovely land, freedom and nationhood demand. Be sure the great God never planned for slumbering slaves a home so grand, and long a brave and haughty race honored and sentinel the place. Sing, oh, not even their sons' disgrace can quite destroy their glory's trace. For often in O'Connor's van to triumph dashed each Connacht clan, and fleet as deer the Normans ran through Carslav Pass and Ardrahan, and later time saw deeds as brave, and glory guards clan records grave. Sing, oh, they died their land to save at Ogram's slopes and Shannon's wave. And if, when all a vigil keep, the west's asleep, the west's asleep. Alas and well may Erin weep, that Connacht lies in slumber deep. But hark, a voice like thunder spake, the west's awake, the west's awake. Sing, oh, hurrah, let England quake. We'll watch till death for Erin's sake.